everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Africa series, we will experience the musical side of Africa. We will see African Art Easy Part 9, African Tribes Playing Music. So be with us till the end to know unknown facts about the musical side of Africa. We have been trying to portray different sides of Africa since last 3 months, and this is the 9th session of this. We have discussed over different tribes, different village styles of Africa, and also different patterns and designs of colorful Africa. Today, as we know now that we will see the musical side of Africa, so here in my painting you can see there are few people playing music in front of their homes, and materials I used here are watercolor, brush pens and sketch pens, just trying to portray a different side of this diverse continent, Africa. In Africa, music is a social activity in which almost everyone participates. Music highlights African values with various traditions accompanied by a melody. Many events of importance are celebrated with music. Whether it is a marriage, a birth, or a ceremonial rite of passage, there are work songs that accompany digging, chopping, and harvesting. There are songs of praise and criticism, and songs recounting history as well. As a result, music is often performed outdoors, in the streets or courtyards of village squares, which exactly we can see here in this painting. But why African music is so important for them? Music is very important when it comes to their religion, because songs and music are used in rituals and religious ceremonies to pass down stories from generation to generation by singing and dancing. And traditional music is most of the continent is passed down orally and is not written. And there are many types of music played in Africa, naming them soukous. Soukous is a form of music that stems from rumba. And then juju. Juju style originally came from Nigeria, and then they managed to spread it all around the West African countries, and including juju, jaija, fuji, ozidi, palm wine, high life, and zilin, and many other type of music played in Africa. Now, what are the key features of African music? Key features of African music is the songs include accompanied and unaccompanied solos, duets, and choruses. And unaccompanied choruses are an example of cappella singing. Songs include usually either strophic or are in call and response form. And instruments they use are classified using 5 different categories depending on the manner in which the instrument creates the sound: idiophones, membranophones, chordophones, aerophones, and electrophones. did you like today's session on Musical Africa? Let us know in comment section about your thoughts. We will keep discovering new art forms of new places and unknown facts. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about the different art forms of different places and unknown facts about them, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. We wish you a wondrous weekend. Bye bye. Take care.